Gave myself an hour this time. I gotta be at work at 7 a.m. Well, at least on the yard. I caught one so far. I'm just using clean today. I got 2 rods set up. So right now I caught a catfish. I'm trying to catch carp, but this is my setup that I'm using. One up high, one up low. This was my second fish on the corn. You see, that's the rod I had it on. You know, this the one I had the hollow rig on it. The buzzards are out this morning. You see the buzzards? They out here. See what this rod trying to do. Oh yeah. That little catfish slammed hard. And it took that corn. You see a little piece of kernel right there. On the bottom one. Right there. That little greedy self. Talking right before I was gonna leave. 7 o'clock. Put this carp back in the water. And the hooks be getting. All the way, boy.